Welcome back to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today we finished another suspension revalve on a WP XACT Pro 6500 cartridge kit. This kit was installed into a set of 2023 KTM 300SX WP forks. This kit was revalved to our JBI suspension motocross spec. This setting provides a little more comfort than the standard motocross setting that these come set up with. The standard setting is great for very fast and aggressive riders, provides a lot of hold up for them. For riders that are not that fast and like a little more comfort out of their forks, our JBI Spec is what you're looking for. Without really changing too much of these forks' already really good characteristics, our revalve really just focused on making the initial part a little more comfortable. Ride JBI has also tested, tuned, and developed suspension settings for other types of riding for these WP XACT Pro 6500 cartridge drop-ins. This kit has proved to become very popular very quickly. The componentry, meaning the parts that make up this kit, are all very good quality. And by good quality, I mean the finish of the metals, the tolerances, the fitment. All of that is very nice. And that stuff takes time when it comes to developing parts, and especially complete assemblies. Making sure all the tolerances are just right, all the fitment is just right, the O-rings seal properly. Now, this cone valve fork setup, or the cone valve fork system, has been out since 2007, 2008, and that's that style of cartridge that these forks use. So what I'm getting at is WP's had quite a while to really fine-tune these fork cartridges, which is a good thing. We like items that have been out for a long time on the market. That means they've been tested, tried many times over the years, and that gives you a lot of opportunities to improve your product slash setup. RideJBI.com, we have a product page on our JBI Spec WP XACT Pro fork setups. The product page details everything that we do to these forks, along with information about these forks as well. So if you're looking for a spot with detailed images and more videos, RideJBI.com is where you can find that. If you would like Ride JBI to set up your suspension, please give me a call or send me an email, and we'll talk about the year, make, model bike that you have, the type of riding that you do, and we'll discuss the different setups that are available and what would work best for you. All JBI suspension services and products can be found at ridejbi.com.